first I have crepe paper. I have 2 pieces and the size of each piece is 20 centimeters by 22 centimeters. We will take the 2 pieces of crepe paper, put it on top of each other, and lengthwise will be the 22 centimeters, and in height here will be the 20 centimeters. So what we'll do here, we'll hold here and we will bring down like this with our fingers all the crepe paper from above. Push all for beneath in small parts so that we can create a ribbon like this. Hold it down here and put the tape in the middle. This is our ribbon. We'll put this aside and we will take one more piece of crepe paper. This piece is 10 by 5 centimeters. We will fold it in half. Fold this side for here. On about a third, we'll fold it over like this. And here, we'll make one more fold and fold it for this side. Put a piece of tape here so that it stays on its place. The piece with the tape, we'll put it facing the ribbon. We'll put it here in the middle, place it in the middle. Turn it over. Fold this piece what is above like this. And this piece that is below, fold it for above like this. And here, we'll secure it with a piece of tape. The ribbon that we have made, we will make this 3 pieces in dark blue, 1 piece in light blue, and 1 piece in white. Next, we'll take a large piece, crepe paper, and the width of the crepe paper will be 5 centimeters. On the edges, we will create cuts of 1 centimeter deep, and like this we are going to make cuts on both sides, and then we will open it up. I took a very large piece of crepe paper. I took 2 meters. Later we will cut and use according to the space we want to decorate. The crepe paper garland streamer that we made, we'll make this in dark blue color, in white color, and in light blue color. Next we are going to create these. First we'll take a piece of thread. We'll be needing 2 sizes for this moment. One piece thread will be 35 centimeters and the other piece thread will be 40 centimeters. So first we are going to use the thread of 35 centimeters and put it aside. Next we are going to take paper. I took here white paper. We will be needing paper in white, light blue and dark blue. First we'll take the white color. We will take any circular object. If you want, you can use a compass. Diameter of this is 7 centimeters. I'm using a circular object which has a diameter of 7 centimeters, and with the help of that we'll draw a circle. We will fold this paper over like this and like this, and one more time like this. By doing so, we will be able to make multiple circles at one time. After drawing the circle, we will cut it out. After having done that, we have created multiple circles. In the white color, we will also be needing circles like this in light blue and in dark blue. Do it in the same way. We will take our piece of thread. We will place the dark blue color under the thread, and in the middle we will paste it with a large piece of tape. Next we will take light blue, leave a space of 2 centimeters, And then we will paste our light blue on the shed. And after pasting the light blue, again we will leave a space of 2 centimeters. And we will paste our white colored circle on this shed. We will make many pieces like this. These are the small ones with the length of the thread, which is 35 centimeters. We will also be making a few pieces with large piece of thread of 40 centimeters. And we'll paste it exactly the same way. We'll make multiple pieces like this. After doing that, we'll take white paper again. This time we'll only take white paper, no other color. And we'll take another circular object, which is smaller now. The diameter of this is 3.5 centimeters. If you are using a compass, you know that the diameter of this is 3.5 centimeters. I'm using this circular object. I'll place it on the white paper. And we will be making many circles like this. After drying it, we'll cut these out. We'll make many pieces like this. And we will be using this later in our next step. For our next step, we will take balloons. I took 2 light blue color balloons and 2 dark blue color balloons, and we are going to inflate these balloons. First, we are going to paste our ribbons on the wall. After we have pasted the ribbons, we will hang our strings with circles. First, we'll take the short string of 35 centimeters. We'll paste that one first. Then we'll take the long string of 40 centimeters and another short string of 35 centimeters. The same way we will hang our strings on this color and on this color as well. Now we will take our dark blue crepe paper, paste this behind the ribbon. We will roll the streamer for the left side. And we will see how long our streamer has to be so that we can reach till this side on this ribbon. Once we are satisfied with the length, we are going to cut the streamer and paste this on the other side behind the ribbon. Now we will take our light blue streamer and we will paste this. We'll paste it the same place under the ribbon, and from there we will bring it this side, and in between we will turn the crepe paper for the left side so that we can get these curls in it. Once we are satisfied with the length, we will cut out all the excess crepe paper and we will paste this on the same place where we had pasted the dark blue ribbon. And now we will take our white color crepe paper streamer. We will put double-sided tape on this one and we will paste this under the middle of the ribbon, and from here we are going to turn it and as you can see, we had the light blue hanging slightly far below. Under the dark blue like that, we will keep the white color hanging slightly under the light blue. Here again, once we're satisfied with the length, we'll cut out the excess. We will put double-sided tape and we will paste this under the ribbon. We will take one more of these circles and we will paste this under the white color crepe paper and under the ribbon in the middle. That's the same that we are going to do on this side as well. Next, we are going to take our light blue balloon. We paste this next to the ribbon. Take our second light blue balloon and paste this next to the ribbon on this side. Then we'll take our dark blue balloon. We'll paste this one slightly under the light blue. That's the same that we are going to do on this side as well. We'll paste this one slightly under the light blue. Next, we'll take our small circles that we made in the starting. We will put glue on it and we will paste these randomly on our balloons to give it the polka dot effect. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like this decoration, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I have many more decorations on my channel. Have a look and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special. Many more new, exclusive and awesome decorations are coming soon, so if you don't want to miss any of my future decorations, make sure that you click on the red subscribe button below and subscribe.